Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today we're here with Binf Hair. It's my first time. Binf human hair, guys. Excuse my nails. I'm gonna get them sorted soon, okay? Got it in a bag, a drawstring bag. So today we have some bundles that we're working with. So this is the only thing that came with the bundles. Wig cap, and I got the curly 4 bundles here. 4 bundles of hair. I have 26. All of this it's curly. By the way, it's a curly texture. It's natural black. It's 26, 26, 28, and 28. So 228, 226. And let's look at the hair. So I ended up taking out the 228 inches. I still have the 226. So I think I'm going to end up using the 228s today. And this is how the hair looks. This is a curl pattern. It's curly, as I said before. So I'm going to be doing a nice little goddess ponytail. If I end up needing more bundles, then I'll add the 26. But I'm going to start off with the 228s for today's hair look. And yeah, it says 100% human hair right here. I believe this curl pattern will match my natural hair nicely. It won't be thrown off with the texture, so it will look very, very realistic. So this is how I'm looking. I moisturize my hair. Yeah, just some pudding. Any pudding you have, you want to moisturize your hair. So that's not what this video is about. So yeah, this is my natural hair. I actually did a little trim the other day. I didn't record that on my hair, but I took off 2 inches and it's definitely past that length that it was at the other day. My hair shrinks so much, but yeah, that's how my hair is looking. I know, I look crazy, but I'm going to get my hair in a ponytail right now. I'm going to basically like get it in the top here, so I'm gonna kind of like speed through this. I still haven't applied any gel as yet, and the gel is going to be the key component in this. So the gel I'm using today, I'm actually trying this out for like the second time. I never really did. I do a ponytail in this? I don't remember, but I'm going to use my olive oil. I think this is the second time I'm using it for my ponytail. Olive oil Ultra HD gel curling clump. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling a flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go, nah, nah. And these in the front, I'm gonna be doing my edges. Not everybody likes that, so if you don't like it, you don't even have to comment on it, okay? You can just totally skip that step and brush up everything, okay? Okay.
Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate.
So I got it in the plait. There's the plait. So I'm gonna get some help to do the ponytail part. My mom cooking with Lucia around here, so Yeah, she can help me put on the 28 inches. We're gonna be using glue, some wrap strip, some gel, and yeah.
Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wanna wait. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh, I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah.
I'm done with my ponytail, and I have to say, I feel like this is the best sleek high ponytail. Like, it's really nice. I love it. It's, I must admit, it's what, 2 1/4 bundles that I ended up using. So just a piece of the 26 inches and the 228. I feel like it's a little bit shorter than the lengths. I don't know, it's curly, so I could be wrong. Like, it could be that because it's tight curly, so you know, the shrinkage or whatever, but it would have been so nice. So it's already so nice. I really love it. You could definitely feel free to go ahead and get this wet, and this goes out to all the girls out there who, you know, you're not into the whole wig life, you can't bother with that, but you still want to slay and get snatched, and a nice ponytail like can always like give you that nice little facelift. It's nice. I really like it. It's really nice. You can always go ahead and do like a bun or something with it, but I love this. I'm gonna be breaking from the wigs for like just a couple of days, so it's like the perfect hairstyle for me right now. I love it. I love it. Binf. Okay, so the hair quality, in terms of the hair quality, it's like tight curls, so it is a little drier. Like, it feels a little drier than other curl. It feels a little drier than normal to me. That's just my opinion. Shedding, I'm not really getting much shedding, but I didn't run my fingers through it that much. The hair looks good. I just feel like I don't know, For 28 inches, I expected it to be like a little longer. It looks a little bit short for 28 inches to me. You know, that's just me. The ends were a little bit thinner than I would like, so I did go in and cut off a little bit on the ends. For right now, I love the volume, I love the whole look of everything, and so I'm gonna keep it like this. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section about this look, about my little ponytail. It's been a while. I was going to do a low ponytail, but I did a thought and I said, you know, I kind of wanted to show off the hair a little bit more. So I said, okay, let me just go ahead and do a high one. That way I could get more fluff, and that's what I did. So let me know if you guys liked it. You know, I love it. Let me know, and I'm going to drop all the specifications of the hair in the description box, the direct link to the bundles if you're interested. You don't necessarily have to do a ponytail. You could go ahead and do a sew in, you could do a half up, half down, but just stay tuned. Your girl is coming with a variety of looks. Okay, I'm coming with variety. When you want to find variety in like beauty, you know, all those stuff, come to me, come to my channel, come to PETITE-SUE Divinititi. But yeah, shout out to Binf for the bundles. They're really cute. So yeah, don't mind my fingers, but yeah. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.